Welcome to you all in Kanha Math classes for 12th Math of CBSE board under NCERT syllabus. Now we are going to solve the differential equation under question number 11, that we have given 4 alternative of the differential equation, that is alternative number A means d square y dx square plus y is equal to 0. Alternative second, B d square y dx square minus y is equal to 0. Alternative C, d square y dx square plus 1 is equal to 0. Alternative d square y dx square minus 1 is equal to 0. There are 4 alternative differential equation and you have to determine which of the differential equation among these 4 has the general solution y is equal to c1 ex plus c2 ex. Now we have to determine which differential equation among these 4 alternative has the general solution of this. Now in order to decide the correct alternative given here, we will have to find the first derivative of this, that is y dash is equal to c1 ex. You know c1 is a constant and ex is a function which derivative is also ex. Now y dash is equal to c1 ex, c1 ex, and this is c2 ex. The same y dash is also y here, and this will be equal to, again if you try to find out the second derivative, I mean I double dash y double dash, this will be again c1 ex plus c2 ex, c2 ex, and this is y from the given function. This may you write as y, hence y dash is equal to y or y double dash minus y is equal to 0, or in terms of this differential equation we may write here d square y dx square minus y is equal to 0. If we search from these differential equations, you may find out the alternative B is the correct differential equation whose general solution is under equation 1, that is y equal to c1 ex plus c2 ex. Here I want to focus your attention on the solution. This y double dash is equal to this much, this may be written as y dash also. This expression may be written as y dash means dy by dx also, but if you put dy dx or itna d square y upon dx square minus dy by dx is equal to 0, there is no alternative in this differential equation. Hence we will adopt the only format of here 2, that y dash is equal to y or y dash minus y is equal to 0. By simple inspection we see that this is nothing but the differential equation under heading B. Hence the alternative B is correct. Now, well, in the continuation of previous questions, that is question number 11, here we have question number 12, and we have given 4 alternatives of differential equation and you have to determine कि which of these four differential equation have the general solution is equal to y is equal to x, and which differential equation secures this general solution of the differential equation. Now, in order to find the appropriate alternative of the differential equation, we will try to find out the first derivative of this expression, that is y dash is equal to 1. Y dash is equal to 1. I mean, again taking the second derivative, y dash is equal to 0. Now, if you try to substitute by 1 in the alternative a, b, c and d, and if you find this y double dash is equal to 0, y double dash minus x square dy by dx, that is equal to 1. Here d square y dx square minus x square plus x square is equal to x, but here we have written x. This is not the correct alternative. By trying the second substitute of the differential equation, d square y dx square will be equal to 0, this will be equal to 0, and this dy by dx will be equal to 1. Hence, this is 0 and this is x. A plus xy will be equal to x, not possible. Hence, in the same way, we will come on the alternative c, that is d square y dx square means 0, and minus x square dy by dx. This will be 1 into minus x square, this will be equal to minus x square, and if you, by virtue of equation number 1, if you find y is equal to x, it means this will become x square and minus x square, this will be equal to 0. Hence, by substituting the value of two and this is 3 by substituting the value of y dash and y double dash from equation number 1, 2, 3, we get d square in alternative c, d square y dx square means 0, x square dy by dx from equation number 2 1 plus x, and here y is equal to 0 or minus x square plus x, and you have y is equal to x from equation number 1, then x into x means minus x square plus x square is equal to 0. Hence, alternative C is the correct answer, that the differential equation under alternative C has the general equation solution of general solution in terms of y is equal to x. Hence, this is the alternative C is correct. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.